Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onye Victoria, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to achieve a quick 10-minute makeup look. Let's get into the video. So I'll be starting off with my brows because I've already primed and prepped my face. Go watch my previous video for that. And today I'll be using just my brow gel on my face. This is the OX. I don't think they create this anymore, so you can get any brow gel of your choice, or you can even use a pencil if you want. So I'm starting off with the clear part just to hold it down, and then almost immediately going in with the colored side. This one is in chocolate. Yes, it's in chocolate. So I'll be going in with the colored side just at the outer part of my brows. Because I know that my inner side has more hairs, but the end is a little bit scanty. So just to fill in that sparse areas. Okay. Yeah. And it looks like I microbladed my brows. So we have two stars in today's video. The first one is this palette from Zickel, their concealer palette, which is like this. Where are you falling to? I know they probably created this one to be like a blush, but I'll be using it as my color corrector because I really need to hide this. I don't know, just feel somehow about my under eye and it being so dark. So I'm not taking too much, just enough on this brush. That's the orange blush cream, or cream blush. That's the English. So I'll be using this orange cream blush as a color corrector for my under eye. I went ahead to use the orange blush on the side of my cheek as well, because I do have hyperpigmentation there as well. And I'm going straight into my foundation. I'm using our good old Maybelline Fit Me. The reason I'm using this foundation is because it is lightweight and it gets the job done. It's also medium coverage and it is good for oily skin. So I'm just going to like dot it. It's super liquidy, so you need to be careful. Say cheese. I have to say that was pretty much easy to blend out. Anyways, I'm going in with my powder palette. This one is from Zickel. Going with this light shade here to set under my eyes because I'm not using any concealer. So we said quick and easy, and it can mean anything for anybody, but this is my own version of a quick and easy makeup. So this light shade, put on my eyes and my under eye and my smile line as well. I'm going in with this one now, ivory, so I just want it to be a little bit brighter, just a little. Yeah, so the second star of this video is this classic pressed powder, and it has a little bit of coverage in it, so I'll be using this all over my entire face. I have to, when I tell it has coverage, and my shade is chocolate. I hope you can see that. Just going to like set my face, all the powder and everything I did, I'll set that. Just for it to calm down. Our good old Kiss Beauty Mega Impact mascara. I feel like I'm forgetting something, or is it just how fast it was to achieve this look? I don't know. But we are on our lips now, which is the final part. Davis. And our gloss. This one is the Ezekiel Nudes. You can see I use it all the time. Take a lot of it. Take a lot. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It was very simple to put together, very quick and simple to put together. Just your brows, foundation, powder. If you know you don't really have dark circles or anything like that, you don't really need the orange blush, but I had to go in with it because you can see there is a difference. Even though my the foundation looks like skin, but you saw the real me. So foundation, powder, mascara, brows, lip gloss, and you're done. That's basically it. Have your spray as well. So thank you so much for watching to this point. Please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before January 2025. Please help me please help me subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave a comment if you want, share the video if you want, and I really appreciate you watching to this point. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.